Hello everyone, Samit here from creativetrading.com. Making this a small video to answer a question I received in email about the Fib tool. Excuse me. So, the question was how to add the value next to the level of any level. So, for example, I have this, Fib drawn from X to A. This harmonic pattern bat, which is I just made this chart. This is oil, by the way, right? So I removed this level here in between this, let's say, next level to 50 is 38, right? So if I want to add, let's say, a 38 level here, right, in this Fib, any level, but, I'm just going to show the 38, how to add any level, right? So I'm going to add 38%, 38.2, plus the value next to. So how do we do that? You highlight the Fib tool so that you can get into the Fibo properties, right? So click here, Fib property windows open up. Now you see this button, add, you click on this and then put here percentage, percentage, decimal value like 0.382. That's the decimal value, 0.382, which is in percentage, it will be 38.2, right? So it's 38.2 on this side, plus give, after that, type like a couple of spaces, 1, 2, and then type this two of these signs, right? It's like percentage sign and a dollar sign, like this, percentage dollar, right? And then press OK, and then you will have not only the level, but the value next to it, just like all the others. Watch. Right? So 38% is right there, and then the value of that Fib from here to here, 38% is coming at 78.89. Then if you want to remove that, if it's not the concern about this pattern, right? It's not relevant to this pattern. For example, 38% is not included in this bad pattern calculation. We have either 23% line or 11% line, and then 50, and then 88. So these are the one I have, and then I remove all of those. Later on, I can add all of them anytime I want. Okay, so this is how I have it, and this is how you do it. So I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. Oops, man, I deleted the whole thing. I wanted to delete the level. I hope I have this one. Yeah, okay, I still have that Fib here, right? So what I'll do is I will go look for that 38% I add and delete only that. Man, what am I doing here? Again, making a mistake. Okay. All right. This one, right? And I'm going to delete only the 38% and press OK. Delete and OK. So it's gone. And I will make this a little bit here so that it goes in the yellow boxes, right? So that's how you not only add or remove the Fib level, but also how to put the value of that level next to it. All right, just wanted to show that. So this is it, and talk to you guys later.